Hello everyone. Welcome back to Funful English. In this video, we are in the second lesson of Language Usage and Grammar for Beginners series. Before we start, please like and subscribe the channel. Let's get started. So, what are proper nouns?
Hello everyone. I'm Stephen. I live in England. Do you know what proper nouns are?
In the above sentence, Stephen and English are proper nouns. These are special names, each starts with a capital letter. More examples are as follows.
Hello. I'm Marie Olana. I live in Australia. I'm a chef for Restaurant Margarita.
Can you name the proper nouns in the above sentence? Correct. They are Marie Olana, Australia and Restaurant Margarita. Proper nouns are also used in the following situations. Names of places like supermarkets, shops, restaurants, parks, buildings, cinemas, and more. Examples: Mega Mart, Madison Park, Giga Cinema. Names or brand names for things like cars, pens, toys, and more. Examples: Honda, KDK, Waterman, and Hot Wheels. Names of books, movies, and more. Examples: Cinderella, Lion King, Marvels, and Little Prince. Names of days and months. Examples: Monday, Tuesday, March, and August. Special names are given to people, places, animals, things, books, movies, days, and months. These special names are known as proper nouns. They start with capital letters. Please see more examples of proper nouns. For people: David Beckham, Stephen King, Leo, Mary Chen, and Bobby. Animals: Daisy, Lily, Bambi. Names for places: Hyde Park, Germany, Italy, MLC Cinemas, and Mega Marts. Names for things: Mount Fuji, the Big Ben, Casio. Names for days and months: Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, January, and October. It's time for reviewing what proper nouns are by pointing out the proper nouns in the following sentences. Please see an example. Let's get started. Betsy was born in England. The answers are Betsy and England. Roy goes to church on Sunday. The answers are Roy and Sunday. Edison stayed at the Royal Hotel during his vacation in Paris. The answers are Edison, Royal Hotel and Paris. Susan planned to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy next October. The answers are Susan, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy, and October. The Asian Game will be held in December. The answers are the Asian Game and December. Katie is going to see Dr. Roth in New Medical Hospital the coming Monday. The answers are Katie, Dr. Roth, New Medical Hospital and Monday. Do Restaurant offers a 30% savings on set dinner on Mother's Day. The answers are Do Restaurant and Mother's Day. Samuel likes to watch National Geographic on YouTube. The answers are Samuel, National Geographic and YouTube. Amy can speak Japanese. The answers are Amy and Japanese. The last question. Singaporeans are the people of Singapore. The answers are Singaporeans and Singapore.